Hi everyone, I'm Kay. I'm the first year student, and now I'm being the first internship in Fujian Shangri-La. Then I'm being the position in front office, and I'm working in club lounge. The club lounge is probably they including the F&B and the front office, the front desk position. So I try to learn all the things in the club lounge. Then I will show you my workplace or my working area. So what do you think about my hotel or my department? In Shenzhen, it is an international city, populated very similar with Hong Kong, and I just can say, in our hotel we got so many business guests and some about of the travel. The whole family will come here and live in our hotel. Professional and very nice, very sweet, smiling. Yeah. So I'm very happy to work here. So